If you want to crop just one layer in Photoshop without permanently deleting anything, this is the best method to use. In this video, I'll show you how to crop on a single layer in Photoshop using a simple non-destructive workflow that gives you full control later. This is especially useful when you want to isolate part of an image, clean up the composition, or resize the visible area of one layer without affecting the rest of your project. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Photoshop project and go to the Layers panel. Click on the exact layer you want to crop so it becomes highlighted. This is important because everything we do next will only affect that single selected layer. If you have multiple layers in your file, make sure you choose the right one before moving on. Now grab the rectangular marquee tool by pressing M on your keyboard or select it from the toolbar on the left. This tool lets you draw a clean selection around the part of the layer you want to keep. Once it's active, click and drag directly over the area you want visible. Think of this selection as your crop boundary. Everything inside the box will stay, and everything outside it will be hidden. Take your time with the selection. You can start over if needed, and you can adjust the selection until it frames the exact area you want. The goal here is not to cut pixels away permanently, but to define the visible portion of that layer as accurately as possible. When your selection is ready, look down at the bottom of the Layers panel. You'll see the Add Layer Mask icon. It looks like a rectangle with a circle inside it. Click that icon once, and Photoshop will instantly hide everything outside your selected area. Just like that, your single layer is now cropped visually, but the original image is still intact behind the mask. This is what makes the layer mask method so powerful. Unlike a permanent crop, you can always come back and change it later. If you realize the crop is too tight, too loose, or slightly off-center, you do not need to redo the whole thing. Instead, find the small link icon between the layer thumbnail and the mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. If that link is active, the layer and mask move together. If you want to reposition the image inside the crop, you can click that link icon to unlink them. After unlinking, select the Move tool by pressing V. Now you can click and drag the image within the masked area to recenter it, shift it left or right, or adjust the composition without changing the mask itself. This gives you a lot more flexibility than a normal crop, especially when you're working on design layouts, product images, or social media graphics. If you ever want to edit the crop again, you can also click the mask thumbnail and fine-tune it later. That means this workflow is completely non-destructive and much safer than permanently trimming the layer pixels. It's a professional technique that saves time and keeps your edits reversible. So to recap, click the target layer, choose the rectangular marquee tool, drag a selection over the area you want to keep, and then click Add Layer Mask. That's how you crop on a single layer in Photoshop while keeping everything editable for later. If this helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more beginner-friendly Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.